Oh, yes. So here it is, folks. The Pixel 4. I finally got the one that I've been waiting for quite some time, which is the Pixel 4 in white. Now, this device is actually the best deal you could possibly get on this. It's right now at T-Mobile. Both of them are on sale, but this one is 50% off, and the other one, the bigger version, is 44% off. So stores have predominantly black. If you can find, or at least where I live at, no store had white. I had to drive maybe 20 minutes away from where I live, and it was one more white one, and here it is, and I finally got it. Now, obviously, here is my orange version. But I've been waiting to review the Pixel 4, the smaller variant. And if you're going to say, oh, Jay, I'm telling you, I've been waiting for this. You have no idea, son. So here is the Pixel 4. We're going to get it all set up. Obviously, the same thing comes in this box. And you get this and, you know, the charging cable. You know the deal. But this is the device. So if you want to get the best deal right now, it's with T-Mobile. I'm going to put a screen protector on there if you're wondering why I'm not too quick to pull that off. But the best deal is with T-Mobile. And this phone costs $399. Folks, that's lower than Google. That's lower than Google Fi. That's incredible right there. Oh. So excited to finally get my hands on the smaller variant. Believe it or not, I have never even touched the smaller variant before. Never. I've never even didn't know the size, anything. And it is, in fact, a lot smaller than the XL. Oh, I love this thing, man. So I'm going to get this set up real quick. And yeah, we'll see what happens. All right, so here we are, man. We're all set up. Wow, I've been playing with this for a little bit. Obviously, I charged the phone up. My only concern is probably going to be battery compared to my Pixel 4 XL. The Pixel 4 XL has really great battery, but we'll see how this works out, man. With both phones, man. I'm really excited to get a review going to this. You know, the Pixel 4 these phones haven't been out that long, but I am excited to finally get my hands on this device. You have no idea. I really like the color. I like the accent from the orange button. I love the white, rocking with the Panda. I ordered a tempered glass. I thought I had a tempered glass, but I didn't. And I can't find my Rinky Fusion X, so I had to order some more cases and tempered glasses. But wow, one thing I noticed about this phone is the speaker volume is just as loud as this phone. It almost seems like it's louder, but the phone itself has fantastic speakers, man. I'm really impressed by that. My only concern, the difference is going to be is the battery, and I'm not saying that it's going to have poor battery. I mean, I'm probably thinking I'm going to get like 5 hours, 6 hours screen on time tops, because this is like a 26 or a 2700 milliamp hour battery. Let me check the record for sure here. So my big one has 37, and this one has 28. Okay, so this is all right. This should be okay, man. 3000 milliamp hour batteries is nothing to shake a leg at, but I can definitely grab a 5,000 milliamp hour battery case for $30. I've been looking, but as soon as I took the phone out of the box, it got a security patch update. When I checked the security patch, it was on October. And then now it's on January. Now this one is on February. So, you know, end result, I'm hearing from folks that the January security patch really solved the battery woes of this device. So I'm not even thinking about what everybody else's battery life is going to be like. So before I buy a battery case or use a battery case, I'm going to use this phone as is. So I'm just going to get my the cameras. Man, it's the same cameras. I mean, it's boss up. It's beast mode. It's the same cameras. The difference is obviously the 1080p 1080p display. You still got the 90 hertz thing or whatever. You still got Android. You still got the Snapdragon 855. It's just yeah, I'm ready for it, man. You got the 12 megapixel wide, and you said you got the 16 megapixel telephoto. So, and the 8 megapixel on the front. You're doing your thing. It's gonna get the job done. I'm not even worried about that. I've already played with the cameras and everything, and it is just so nice. Obviously, it's just like this phone. So, the only difference I'm looking forward to is to seeing how different the battery is compared to this. I mean, there's really nothing else I can test with these. The phone is super speedy, but the advantages of why I wanted this phone, and remember, I have big hands, but in the end, big phones, even though you have big hands, that doesn't mean you want to use a big phone all the time. So this phone right here, I'm telling you, it's like the perfect size, man. I love small little devices like this. And for $399, folks, when I was looking through this, I was talking to LaShawn, shout out to Team Pixel. I found that there was no T-Mobile software on here. And I think the only thing I found was this. After I scanned through, I added this T-Mobile app right here, and I added the T-Mobile Tuesday. And before that, I couldn't find anything. But then I saw right here, device unlock. That's the only thing I've seen. And let me see if I can disable that. And I can disable that. So technically, there's no bloatware on here, I guess. Speedy, fast. I got it set up, just like this Pixel over here. Pretty much got it set up the same. Pretty much all the same devices on here. Maybe a few differences I'll add, like my FedEx, I think, isn't on here. Well, no, yeah, it is. There's my UPS. Yeah, everything's here pretty much. So I'm going to rock out with the Pixel 4 now, folks. Man, I mean, I'm probably going to get rid of this. So I'm taking offers. This is the unlocked version directly from Google. It is now on the official February security patch, and you will get security patches. So if you're not coming with nothing more than 6, I'm not taking anything less than 6. So everything's still much brand new in the box on here, but I'm probably going to get rid of this, folks, because I really enjoy this size and I love this color. Man. And this is a 64 gig. The carrier only had the 64 gigs, but I don't care about that because I got everything on here, and I've only used like 15 gigs or something like that of the 50 that was available. Maybe even 10. Let me see. Let me check the storage. Storage. Yeah, so I got 42 gigs left. And so if you see here, the system used 12. So I only used 9 gigs with my stuff. So I'm pumped, man. I'm ready to get my review phase going with the Pixel 4. I mean, this phone hasn't been out that long when you think about it. I remember I put out my video on my iPhone saying, hey, is it still relevant? Well, this phone right here, I guess I could probably say the same thing. This came out in October, folks. It was released in October. So both of these were released in October. So, what do you guys think about that? Huh? So I'll get some of my favorite wallpapers set up on here. And I really like having the one-handed use. I was taking some photos, some portrait shots. And yeah, this banging. It's nothing to worry about. The doggone phone has fantastic portrait shots and everything, man. Yeah, this is everything I knew it would be, man. I'm pretty excited about it too, man, because this small form factor is just incredible. Where's the Come Alive ones at, man? There was some on here that said Come Alive. I don't see them on. Oh, here we go. Come Alive. Here it is right here. That's what I was looking for right there. That one. Yeah, that's nice, man. So ultimately, I'm excited, man. I'm excited about this one right here. That's that Pokemon joint. Yeah, let's put the white one on here. Oof. This joint here, man. This is gonna be really nice, man. This is gonna be fine. It's gonna be so tight. You got the POLED, you know what I'm saying? So I'm ready for this, man. I'm loving the Panda White, man. I'm telling you, I'm so loving this. This is crazy right here. Yeah, the Pixel 4 right now, if you want to get the best deal, it's on T-Mobile, folks. T-Mobile has this phone for $399, and then they have the XL version for $499. So this is 50% off and this is 44% off. Just go to T-Mobile.com yourself. Walk in the store. Now I was able to walk in the store and grab this white one. I drove a little bit of ways to get this white one. It was the only one in my area. And I told the guy, hey, hold it, son. I'm on the way. Hold it for me. So I was able to grab this white one, but they had a ton of the black ones. I mean, I didn't want the black one because I like the orange and I like the white. And I was just really excited to get this white. If you know me, if you've been following me, I've been saying since day one that I wanted to get this white and I wanted the small one. So, but having this one, I just felt like, I'm just going to go ahead and stick with it. But now I can safely probably say that I'm going to sell this one. So I might take some offers, anything under 6, I'm not even going to entertain it. So I'm going to ignore those comments if somebody come with that. But if you're serious, you come with it, I'll ship this off to you. And remember, this is the unlock one from Google. But I got the software updated to where you'll get software updates now, OTA. So I unlock the bootloader. You can lock the bootloader back if you want to, or do whatever you want to do with it if I end up selling it to someone who's watching me. But nonetheless, I am super excited to finally get my white Pixel 4, the baby joint, man. And I'm going to give you a full rundown review of this. It's never too late. This is my first experience with it. Never touched this phone before. Never done anything with it. So I'm really excited, man. And I hope you're excited for me. And let's keep this tech going. I know all the Samsung events is coming on. I'm still ordering my Z Flip. That's still going down. But I gotta have this white Pixel, and I'm happy I waited. I'm so glad I got patience, son, because I would have been so mad if I would have bought this for a higher price, and then T-Mobile has it now for $399. I don't know how long that sale is gonna be going on, so don't ask me. Check with your local carriers and check with you call T-Mobile and you ask them. I'm just telling you, it's $399 right now, and this is the best deal right now on an Android phone if you want stock Android and you want a small baby powerhouse phone, man. Team Pixel, where you at? Stand up in the comments, son.